Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's knowledge about good news for engineering degree and PG students. That is task. Telangana Academy for Skills and Knowledge is planning to conduct 2 days online session for blockchain training program. It is helpful for all engineering degree and PG students. Today there is up demand for blockchain related jobs. It's helpful for all final year students, those who want to make career in blockchain. So our trainer is Arvind Voroganti sir, Vice President Blockchain Practice and Products SD, will train in this blockchain session. So it's completely online and platform software is WebEx. So this is the guidelines and time session part source for 2 days online session. So this session is on 30 and 31st July 2020. So attend without fail. Hope you like this video. If you like it, like below. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock